Curious about how to import and export documents to Transkribus? Let me show you how. The easiest way to upload documents to Transkribus is to click on New and then Upload Documents. Here you can pick one of your existing collections to add new documents to. If you are just starting out, you can of course add a new collection, add the name, and then create the new collection. Then click on Upload. Now you can drag and drop your material into the upload area. Give your document a name, submit, and all the pages will be uploaded as one document. Basically, collections are like folders that contain your documents, and your documents contain the pages you upload. And of course, you can always add new pages to existing documents as well. Once your documents are uploaded, you're ready to start working. And once you have worked on your documents and you have finished your transcription, downloading is just as easy. Select the document you want to download and then click on the Actions button. Choose Export and select your desired format, the standard export options like images or PDF, or advanced options like Excel or Page XML. Start the export and you will receive an email with the download once it's complete. And you can see an overview of your activity, such as your downloads, in the AI jobs table. And that's it. That's how you import and export documents in Transkribus.